a great choice today with the 2015 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, Sirius satellite radio, tire pressure monitoring system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.